question I get asked a lot is how to root a cactus cutting. So today I'm going to make a little video on how to root a few different kinds of cactus offsets you may have. We got regular Echinopsis offsets. These root really easy. This is an Echinopsis cutting, but again, Echinopsis just root really easy. We have a Trichoceros clone, Ogun here, that is just starting to root. I leave my Trichoceros out on a shelf in my greenhouse for prolonged periods of time and kind of sitting like upright so they don't just get roots all along the side. And I wait till they start to pop little baby roots like those, and then I go ahead and pot them up. And here we have the Sierra Skyline pups I collected earlier today. Here I have my soil, which is a very mineral heavy mix. It's got a lot of sand in it, a lot of perlite. It's got charcoal I made in my fire pit. It has some bagged soil that I got for $4.50 from the dollar store across the street because I was desperate. And I'm pretty sure I also threw chalk powder in here, calcium carbonate, just because. And there's slow release organic fertilizer. I use Espoma Palm Tone, but it doesn't really matter which one. Alright, so we'll start with the little Sierra Skyline ones. They're really easy. I'm going to take some of our soil, put it in our little tray. I'm not going to do too much. Get rid of the little breeze. We don't need none of that. That's a little much. Doesn't matter. Alright, that's good. Alright, we got our little bowl full. Take some of our rocks. I have a whole mishmash of things in here. I'm going to put some of these scattered throughout. I like to try to mimic a lot of these plants' natural habitat, or at least a little bit. So I like to include minerals, rocks that would leach minerals that would be around them into the soil. And now I just literally just take these and place them all over. Poor thing. That one was kind of squished between other pups. Get rid of this rock thing there instead. Oh, a couple more. Move these over. There you go. Alright, and those are done. That's a fun. I'm mostly going to put rocks. Kind of like a ring of rocks. Set that so it doesn't really touch soil, like only a little bit. The roots can find the soil on their own. I'm going to put some rocks to hold it up. Make sure it stays. Oh my goodness, I can't hold the camera straight or keep this cactus straight. That'll be alright. I don't think it'll go nowhere. Alright, Ogun, done. Next we'll do these little Echinopsis. Some soil. A little bit more. I'm just gonna fill all three of these up right now. Alright. Even those out a little. There we go. Well, that's good enough. Alright, take our rocks again. Just kind of throw them in there. Make our spot in the middle. And then we will place. I'm labeling these other ones so I don't get mixed up. Alright. Place. Rocks. Oh. Alright, and the last one. Oh, it's got a little tail. Let's stick him like that. Oh no. I'm just gonna use the rest of these. There's no point keeping that. It's not enough. Okay. Alright. And that's it. The only thing left to do is put them in an area that is kind of shady, maybe gets a little bit of direct light in the morning or evening, and somewhere where they'll get a tiny little bit of rain, but not a whole lot.